Today, we'll give you 5 reasons why you should be eating avocados. They're delicious, versatile, and can be used in many different ways. Reason number 1, avocados are nutritious. Avocados are a great source of fiber, potassium, and vitamin C, K, and B6. One avocado has more potassium than a banana and contains healthy fats for your heart, brain, and skin. Reason number 2, avocados can help you lose weight. Avocados can help with weight loss as they are high in fiber, and studies have shown that regular consumption of avocados can lead to lower body weight, BMI, and waist circumference. Reason number 3, avocados are versatile. Avocados are versatile and can be used in salads, sandwiches, smoothies, desserts, and as a healthy substitute for ingredients like mayo, sour cream, or butter. Reason number 4, avocados are good for your heart. Avocados can help reduce the risk of heart disease by lowering bad cholesterol levels and increasing good cholesterol levels. They are also a good source of antioxidants that can prevent damage to the heart and blood vessels. Reason number 5, avocados are delicious. Avocados are a delicious addition to any meal, whether eaten plain, as guacamole, or in a sandwich. They add a creamy, flavorful touch and can be prepared in many different ways, so you'll never get bored. They're tasty, packed with nutrients, can help with weight loss, and are good for your heart. Try adding them to your diet by picking up a few on your next trip to the grocery store.